If you want your old wheels and tires to look new again, you got to try my 3 favorite products. First, Iron Out. On these wheels, there's a lot of gold, brown looking stuff, which means there is brake dust, iron, fallout, grime, a little bit of everything. Oh, so satisfying. Next, we will scrub down the wheels and tires with Magnum Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And as you can see here on the tires, everything's just kind of melting away. Now we're using a soft, medium bristle brush for the wheels and the tires. Sometimes the stiffer bristle brushes don't get in between the knobs on the tires very well, so I prefer using the medium bristle brush. And here we are going to give one last little spritz in near the lug nuts to get them a little bit cleaner on the inside. Work the product around with your bristle brush or your lug nut brush or a little brushy brush, whatever you've got. Spray it off and take a look at these babies. Man, those look a million times better. They almost look brand new. Detail Studio Blackout. If you're looking for a tire shine that doesn't sling and has good longevity, it stays on your tire, it lasts a while, Detail Studio Blackout. Give it a shot. Here we are, we're spraying our tires and we don't want to get any overspray on our car. So we got ourselves an old cereal box. We're going to tuck it in just like that. There we go. Just wiping off the little bit of overspray that we got on to make sure dirt and road grime don't stick to your wheels. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.